Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by fixing access issues. Open File Explorer, right-click the presentation, choose Properties and unblock if present. Once done, run PowerPoint as administrator so you can clear file locks. Make sure the file is on your local drive and not syncing with OneDrive or a network share. Cloud Sync often locks editing. Also, temporarily disable antivirus file scanning for this file. These immediate checks remove the most common external locks that prevent editing and let you proceed to repair PowerPoint itself. Next, you repair both the file and the app. First, attempt Open and Repair from PowerPoint's Open dialog to salvage corrupt slides. If that doesn't work, disable COM add-ins under File, Options, Add-ins. Unreliable add-ins often block editing. Then run a quick repair of Microsoft Office from Programs and Features to fix broken program components. If quick repair fails, follow up with an online repair. These steps handle corruption and app-level problems that block editing, even when file permissions are. To finish, recover content and ensure future edits. Open the presentation, select all slides, and paste them into a new blank PPTX, then save under a new name. This strips hidden corruption. Alternatively, use Export to save slides as images or use Save as to change format. If you still cannot edit, reboot Windows, sign out of OneDrive or other cloud apps, and launch PowerPoint in safe mode. If these steps fail, the single key troubleshooting tip is to copy slides into a new file to regain full editability.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.